Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get all pictures in DDLC+. Collecting every single image can be a fun challenge, and I'm here to help you achieve 100% completion. We'll cover both the main story and the essential side stories, ensuring you don't miss any of the 25 unique unlockable images. Get ready to dive deep into the game's content and fill your gallery. To unlock many of the pictures, you must explore all possible routes within the main story. This means making different choices at key points to experience each character's unique path. Don't be afraid to use the save and load features to revisit critical decisions. By seeing every major story branch, you will naturally uncover several of the game's hidden images and progress toward a full collection. Beyond the main narrative, the 6 side stories are absolutely crucial for completing your picture gallery. Each side story offers unique insights and, more importantly, several exclusive images. Make sure to play through all of them from start to finish. Some pictures are specifically tied to the completion of these stories, so dedicate time to experiencing every single one for a truly complete collection. Once you believe you've collected everything, check the in-game gallery to verify your progress. There are a total of 25 pictures to find. If you're missing any, revisit the main story with different choices or replay specific side stories. Remember, patience and thorough exploration are key to unlocking every single image. Enjoy the satisfaction of a fully completed gallery.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.